report on Nala here. She being
Just
down.
following up on the routine schedules.
You sure?
Yeah. If it was important, really important, it should have said very important. They would raise the level of information.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Oh, they're
This
calling
system
me, right?
is used to provide warnings
She
and
can't do
essential
nothing bad, so
safety
we're trying to come
information
by the
during
laws.
emergencies.
Just keep her by
If
yourself.
this had been an actual emergency,
There's
you
a
would
fat
receive
burger.
official information, news, or instructions from the station.
It's so big.
This concludes the weekly
all
test
around
of
the
the
street.
Southern Nevada system.
Yeah, this is good. I feel good about this.
The forecast for Boulder Basin. Highest waves today and Thursday are expected across mid-Boulder Basin.